Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, or AWD, is a low-cost bulk storage solution for your inventory that distributes to the Amazon store and other distribution channels, saving you time and money when you have large quantities of inventory to store and distribute. Utilizing AWD for your bulk storage can help you reduce storage costs. By sending your inventory in bulk to AWD facilities, you can take advantage of lower per unit storage fees compared to standard FBA. Automate replenishment. AWD automatically replenishes and optimizes your inventory in FBA fulfillment centers. Expand your distribution. Your inventory stored in AWD facilities can be distributed to the Amazon store as well as other sales channels. Plus, AWD pricing covers FBA inbound placement fees, making AWD a simplified, cost-effective way to store and distribute your inventory, with Amazon handling the logistics on your behalf. The Amazon Warehousing and Distribution program supports a variety of FBA products. When you book shipments, Amazon will validate that the ASINs you're attempting to send are eligible. Eligible SKUs must meet the following criteria: conveyable inventory with maximum carton box dimensions of 25 by 25 by 25 inches and maximum weight of 50 pounds. Individual SKUs inside a carton box also cannot be larger than 25 inches on any side or weigh more than 50 pounds. Cartons boxes must contain one unique SKU each, not a mix of SKUs. Certain product categories may also require pre-approval from Amazon before listing. Review the Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD) Product Eligibility Help page to check for specific product eligibility. To start using the Amazon Warehousing and Distribution program, 1. In Seller Central, go to the Inventory drop-down menu and select Warehousing and Distribution (AWD). 2. From the program page, click Create Shipment. 3. Within 2 to 3 days of creating your first AWD shipment, you will be able to access the Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD) inventory page to manage your shipments. There are no fees to get started. You'll only be charged when you ship your inventory to our facilities. Remember, the warehousing and distribution tools are only visible to users with permissions. If you don't have permissions, ask your primary account holder to grant them to you via the User Permissions page. By leveraging AWD, you can streamline your inventory management, reduce storage costs, and expand the distribution of your products.